Now we're gonna get into the lower body. We're gonna do squats. We're gonna build our butt muscles, okay? So first, I'll show you. People have a tendency to squat here. So you don't want your chest to go over your knees. That's the incorrect. You wanna squat parallel. You wanna squat, I always try to focus on putting my butt down into the sitting position, back up, tight butt. So here, you're sitting here. My legs are parallel, so my knees are 90 degrees when I go down. Here, squat, back up, tight booty. Here, down, back up. It's habit for me to do here, but it keeps my upper body up. My body is not bent over, my chest is not over my knees. I'm actually sitting here. You can feel it on your side glutes and your glutes here. That's the proper way to do a squat. Make sure you tighten up every time. That's how you get your little curvature in your butt. You build your side glutes as well as your large glute here. This is a large muscle, so it takes a lot of work. Again, sit into it and back, tight booty.